Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can draw number patterns in C. In today's video lesson, we are going to create these two patterns. So we have 5 rows in both patterns and number of columns are varying from 1 to 5. So without any further delay, let's get started. Double click on Turbo C icon on the desktop to start Turbo C. Select New from the File menu to create new program file. First of all, I am going to draw our pattern in comment. So our first pattern is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And our second pattern is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in fifth row. So for both patterns, number of rows equal to 5 and number of calls equal to vary from 1 to 5. Okay, so let's begin. Void main. We need two variables for this program, int I comma j clr. First of all, we are going to write outer loop. Controls number of rows in the pattern. So for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Now inner loop, which controls number of varying columns from 1 to 5. So for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Okay, note that in this inner loop we are going to print the value of I for the first pattern and not j. So let's do it. Printf %d 1 space comma I. After printing each row, the cursor must be moving another line. That's why printf \n. Okay, get ch. Our program is ready. Let's save it. Say pattern 4. And compile it to make sure it is working properly. Okay, Alt F9, Control F9 to view the output. Okay, we have our pattern 1 ready. Now it's time to understand the program. So for I equal to 1, initially this is outer loop, inner loop and output. Okay. When the value of I equal to 1, the inner loop is converted into for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, but the value of I is 1, so j less than or equal to 1 j plus plus. So this loop will execute one time and it is going to print the value of I, that is 1 in this case, so it will output 1. Okay. Now the value of I in the next iteration will be I equal to 2. I am going to copy this code, test it. Okay. Okay. So inner loop is converted into for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, but the value of I is 2 here, so j less than or equal to 2 j plus plus. So definitely this loop will execute 2 times and it will print the value of I, it is fixed 2, so twice it will print 2. Now in next iteration the value of I will be 3, so our inner loop is converted into for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, because the value of I is 3, in this case j plus plus. Copying this code. Okay, so this loop will execute 3 times and it will print the value of I thrice and it is fixed, that is 3. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this whole section for I equal to 4 and I equal to 5. Not properly commented. Okay. So for I equal to 4, the inner loop is converted into j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 4, j plus plus. This loop will execute 4 times and it is printing the value of I and it is fixed, that is 4, so it will print 4 times. At last, when the value of I is 5, the inner loop is converted into for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 5, j plus plus. This loop will execute 5 times and it is printing the value of I, so it is fixed. Okay, sorry. So this is how our program works. Saving the program, executing it one more time. Okay. For second pattern, simply replace the variable I in the inner loop with j. That's all. Here, replace this I by j, save the program and run the program. Control F9. And we have our pattern 2 ready. The program works same as above pattern, but instead of printing fixed value of I, it will print the value of j. So the value of j is varying from 1 to 5. So in the first iteration it will print the value of j, that is 1. In the second iteration the value of j is varying from 1 to 2, so it will print 1 and 2. In the third iteration the loop will execute thrice, 3 times, and the inner loop is printing the value of j, so the value of j is varying from 1 to 3, so it will print 1 to 3. In the fourth iteration the loop will execute 4 times and it will print the value of j 4 times, that is 1 2 3 4. And at last our program will print the last row, that is 1 2 3 4 5, as the inner loop will execute 5 times and it is printing the value of j. When the value of I equal to 6, definitely the outer loop condition is false, so loop terminates and program also. So that's all for today. If you have any queries regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.